Here are a few things that you should take into consideration next time you create. Choose colors that speak to you, colors that uplift you, that make you feel warm and fuzzy on the inside. If you don't consider yourself a highly creative person, doodle, scribble. This isn't made to go on some fancy wall. It's just a moment with you and your inner child energy. Taking a moment to do some artistic meditation is a great way to find peace in your life. I, for one, have a hard time sitting in silence, and if you're an overthinker, again, like myself, a moment of art is a meditative practice because you get lost in your creative outlet. Everything kind of slows down and you just flow. It's important to remind yourself to just take a minute and become playful again. Ignite your creative energy, add spark to your life. Choose art.